Well, if the world were a perfect place, every car guy's garage would include a 70 Hemi Cuda convertible, fully restored, probably by us. But since it isn't, let me show you the next best thing. Because 99.9% of the population can't afford the real thing, what I did is hired Marc Lacourciere from Motor Graphics. And what I did is commissioned him to do this original painting. We built 1,000 prints off of this, signed by all the guys that helped restore this car. The process is really interesting. What he did is he came out, photographed the car, every angle, got all the reflections. He even asked me to do a burnout. Had to do one for him. Then what he did is he went back to the studio, laid it out, had the motor up in the left-hand corner, had the car there doing the burnout. Then once he had it laid out, he actually penciled it out onto the board. And what he did there is he painted in all the detail. And if you have a close look, the detail is unbelievable. Every reflection, the chrome looks like it's a real piece of chrome. Marc is truly an artist. The guys that restored the car are truly artists.